Huh? Dude, that's a mean looking dog. What he said.
What's this? Is that where you're steering?
This?
Yeah.
It's so that a lot of bikes don't have it, but I got lucky at this. But most of thousands will have it. It's because when you're riding hella fast, you'll get that speed wobble, and you'll fuck up. But this is like a stabilizer.
That's clean.
Yeah. Oh fuck yeah.
That bike's clean. I want to get something like
Oh no. There's a car. Alright guys, so my friend in front of me invited me to a little car meet today, and hopefully my audio works and my audio and my video works. I wasn't recording on the way here, but just now started recording, and we are on our way to go meet up with some other guys at a local Walmart. And then we got a buddy behind us. This guy's car is so damn loud. That shit sounds like a damn trumpet. I'm the only guy that doesn't have a damn fucking car. Oh shit, this shit is smoking. Yo, this car is smoking. Yeah, you got some pretty loud speakers, my dude. So yeah, I'm on my way, or we're gonna meet somebody, or it's a couple more friends at this Walmart up ahead, and then from there we were supposed to leave by. If I could talk, holy shit. Those guys were like, what the fuck was that? Sorry, buddy. They gotta fucking call the cops. Fucking dirty. Yeah. Back. Oh, I think I hear people. Freedom. Fuck. Fuck, I fucking missed them. I don't know where I'm going. I'm gonna try to see if I can fucking find them. Oh shit, something's smoking over there. And I think that's that one guy I was telling you about. Nah, I think that cop is looking for us. My bike is heating up, what the fuck? Damn, that cop out of everybody, he got that damn Volkswagen. And not us. Sucks to be you. That dude's looking at him like, shut the fuck up. Oh shit. Man, look at all these chickens. Damn, it's a badass little spot. What the fuck? It's all surrounded and shit.
they're straight in dead. Hey, I'll tell them. I'll be like, Doc, I'll put that fucking. That's where they're at.
How's it going? Oh, guys. Who's doing donuts out here?
Donuts.
You can hear them over there. They're at the gas station over there.
Yeah, that was not us. Yeah, we just got here maybe like 5 minutes ago.
I got the car for later on, like 8:30.
No, that's it. You guys got the memo? We posted ours. We posted ours, and then they were mad that we posted ours, so they posted one in North Plymouth Street over there.
Oh, there's that Plymouth, huh? That's the other one.
Yeah, around the fountain.
The fountain.
Hey, we keep ours clean though. We don't want anybody fucking making ruckus or anything like that. We just try to chill, talk. That's all. That's the. I ain't want no trouble. That's for sure. Yeah. Well,
If you guys aren't out here causing a problem, then, like if we start getting calls, then we're gonna have to come over here and tell everybody to go.
yeah, we have to. Yeah, if there's gonna be any calls, it'll probably be the other one.
That's what would happen.
Did I ram my shoes too fast or what? Yeah, this thing has like a turbo push on it. Hey, just barely. You go to the right place, I'll get you past. Hey, you go to the right place, don't pass me though. No. So I got the temporary. Yeah, no, it's not outrunning you, that's for sure. No doubt.
Well, the problem is, these are the
Yeah. That's why we try to keep it like on, like Plymouth per se. I mean, nobody's gonna be walking in Plymouth. I mean that. Yeah, we'll try to keep it quiet though. I mean, we can only do so much. If it starts getting loud, I mean, we'll probably leave and go somewhere else. Try not to.
no donuts,
All right.
no burnouts, no. Even in the private property, switch to the reckless drive, and their car will be impounded.
I don't think any of the cars here can. No shit. Maybe that one.
It's a brick car enough.
Slamming your brake.
All right.
Every car has an e-brake.
I'm cool the first time, but it's the second time. All right, good?
Sounds fair enough.
All right, thanks.
All right, have a good one, guys.
Hey, we're just gonna get followed, dude. It's not
Hey man, we will make those motherfuckers follow us all night long.
I don't think fucking screws with the car behind us. As soon as we get out of their jurisdiction,
Look at that
hey, bro, let's go to the camp for what? Dog, we got a Lambo here. Are you fucking serious? That's a Lambo, isn't it?
Oh, bro, he's the first motherfucker to get pulled over.
Watch it!
Damn. That's a Lambo.
I think 25 cars, but we got 20.
Oh, we
20
got
cars.
25.